Happy New Year and welcome to 2025. Here at the Trusted Toolbox, we're excited to help you all in the Metro Atlanta area and in Athens do things around your home. Yes, we are in Athens now, but did you know in Metro Atlanta the average home value now is $425,000? That means you should be budgeting at least $4,000 to $5,000 on that home just for home maintenance and repairs to make sure that everything is taken care of. In this month's edition, you're going to see a lot of really nice features that we can bring to you in your home. But we really like our Handyman for a Day program, which we've already started to put out there and had a lot of great response on. So give us a call for Handyman of the Day. And yes, it's getting cold out there. Make sure you're winterizing your pipes. Make sure you're being careful with everything. Unhook those hoses around the house. And if anything happens where you get some water, make sure you call a restoration company, but we can always come back behind and help you with anything that happens. We hope this doesn't happen to you, and we hope you've protected your home. And as you follow maybe our blog on our website, maybe you checked out our newsletter and forwarded it on to somebody to make sure that they didn't have the same mistake. See us at the Home Show in Gwinnett, as we're at the Gwinnett Home Show on January 24th and 25th.